über, vor, neben.
German कहाँ से पढ़ें? After doing quite some research on this, I ended up choosing the Goethe's online German courses. ये क्यों चूज़ किया और मेरा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था जानेंगे इस वीडियो में. स्टार्ट करते हैं कि मुझे जर्मन सीखनी क्यों थी, नीड क्या थी. सो आई विल बी मूविंग टू जर्मनी वेरी वेरी सून. So I wanted to get accustomed with the language so that big German words like these aren't able to scare me. Plus, I think I have a thing for languages. तो मुझे चाहिए था एक practical teaching approach and I didn't want to feel like I am being treated like a child. Trust me on this, many famous German institutes feel like we are going back to school. I chose Goethe mainly because it is an international organization that teaches German and it is the one that holds the official German Goethe exams, passing which wins you the certificate. And yes, so let's just move into the details of the course now. The course, its cost, and its duration. I registered myself for the Goethe's online super intensive A1 course. It costed me around 30,000 INR and it lasted for 2 months. Monday to Friday, I had daily classes, and each class was around 4.5 hours. In between the classes, we had 2 breaks, and oh my god, they were so perfectly timed. I can't appreciate it enough, I can't express it enough. Now, course teachers and students. Our batch consisted of around 15 people, and we were allotted 2 teachers. One of them taught us from Monday to Wednesday, and the other one Thursday and Friday. Originally, I was really worried about this arrangement, but oh my god, these teachers were so much in sync. कोई problem नहीं आई because of 2 different teachers in the same course. Both of them were super duper approachable and knowledgeable. अब हम आते हैं students पे. I noticed that most of the students were professionals who were actually taking classes from their offices sometimes. Others were like me who were going to Germany for their masters or bachelors, and others were just people who wanted to go to Germany for work purposes. Plus, because of low class population, I think enough time was given to me, my problems, and my opinions, and that was a big win for me. Teaching method. Now, the teaching method at Goethe is German. The teachers use 60% of the times German and only 40% of the time English, and I enjoyed it to the core. But मेरा फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि मैं आपको बताऊं कि not every student in the batch was happy with it. They were sometimes not able to follow. None of us, for context, knew any German before starting of the course. I'll just give you an example of how the teachers used to speak in German and we were able to understand. Was ist Bundesland? Bundesland in Indian, zum Beispiel West Bengal, Karnataka, Haryana, Maharashtra, genau. Und was ist die Starter? Starter in Indien, zum Beispiel Delhi, Bengaluru, Panaji, genau. In Deutschland, zum Beispiel Berlin, Munich, Frankfurt, genau. So did you get what Bundesland and Stadt mean? Comment down below. So you need to be 100% attentive in the class to understand what is going on, otherwise you just won't get it. Teaching material. We followed the books A1, Netzwerk, Neue Kursbuch and Übungsbuch. Some of us even used the intensive trainer. These books costed around 1000 INR and this is an additional cost. Apart from this, the teachers use Zoom to its core. We were always using its features like annotate for group activities and breakout rooms for solving questions together or doing role play activities together. There were hazar PDFs. We used Mentimeters for interactive sessions. We also did many puzzles together. We watched movies together. For practicing email writing and SMS writing, we literally wrote SMSs and emails to our teachers, and then they corrected it and replied back. So it was a very practical approach to teaching. What all was covered? Some of the things that now I am able to do in German: introduce myself. Guten Tag, ich heiße Surmai Soumya. Order in a German restaurant. Entschuldigung, ich möchte eine Pizza und ein Mineralwasser bitte. Ask for directions. Entschuldigung, wo ist das Krankenhaus? I can even look for houses to rent. Ich suche eine Wohnung mit 3 Zimmer bitte. Currently, I am also trained 100% for the Goethe's A1 exam because of the many exam training sessions that were held throughout the length of the course. What if I miss a class? Yeah, so that will be a problem. They don't provide class recordings, and if you miss a class, you are definitely going to miss out on new rules, new grammar, new vocabulary, because each class is packed with so much new content. You shouldn't miss classes in such a course type. But let's be real, there are emergencies and we end up missing classes, right? And even I missed 2 classes in the course of 2 months, right? So what I did was that I just asked my course mates to provide me the notes for the missed classes, and then it was just up to me to go through those notes and then in the next class get my doubts addressed. Course completion. After course completion, you will be awarded the course completion certificate, and this is a certificate that will clearly state your attendance. After the course, you will end up with practical German knowledge and also some knowledge about the German culture, especially punctuality. So the teachers are very, very punctual, and they will even if we are 2 to 5 minutes late to the class or late to rejoin the class after the break. So all in all, I loved Goethe's online super intensive course, and they have offline batches as well and other online batches as well, which are not as fast paced as the super intensive ones. They have weekend batches as well, and from the experience of this course, I think they will be amazing as well. And let me tell you that if you are thinking to book these classes for yourself, then you should book them as soon as possible because they are sold out in minutes, literally. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below your thoughts because I love reading them and it motivates me to publish more and more such content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Auf Wiedersehen.